Hey, y'all.
Good morning, gang. Gang, gang, gang. Oh my gosh. Good morning, y'all. We are out and about. Not really. We just took Natalie to work. Just to work all day today. Since we're up, we just jumped up. And now we stopped at Mickey D's. And got a sausage, egg, and cheese. First, we weren't going to get anything. Because then we stopped at, hold on, I'm a lefty, so my hand is covering the camera. Y'all see that? I'm going to try to hold it like this. First, we stopped at Dunkin'. Y'all see Dunkin'? Anyway, we stopped at Dunkin'. I got a latte, caramel latte, and he got coffee. Tony got coffee. And then we decided we wanted a little sandwich. You know how you half sleep, half woke. Natalie had to be at work at 9 o'clock, so we up. I'm just of course, looking a hot mess, but it's okay. It's really okay. You know, it's 78 degrees and it's really nice out. It's not super, super hot or anything like that. It's 78 degrees. So it's nice out. It's early in the morning. And everybody is up and kind of moving around. I'll show y'all. Hold on. People are up early, moving around. Blessed be the name of the Lord. I'll take a bite of my sandwich. So guys, from yesterday they called us and told us to look at one that was being built. We looked at the models. So now we're looking at one that's being built. Look at this ceiling, babe. They got upgrades, big time. This is upgrades, big time. This is a bedroom. This must be the mulberry. Okay, that's a walk-in closet. This is one bedroom. No, because there's one in the front. So this is bedroom. Okay, this is bedroom. What? Mulberry? This is bedroom number 2. Every bedroom has its own bathroom for the mulberry. So this is bedroom and bathroom number 2. Well, the one in the front had to be a guest. I don't know what that was in the front, because the bathroom was outside. It wasn't in the bedroom. Beautiful fireplace. It's so hard to tell. Yeah. And this is the backyard. Huh? No. But you can see the people next door. I'm in grilling. And you don't have nobody behind you. Love that. So 3 full bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. That's what this is. Huh? you have a party out here. You definitely have a party out here. This, how many people this house? Yeah. I ain't gonna try to get in his way. This the master. This the master. I'm not gonna get in your way because you done already started. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's beautiful. The bathroom, can't step on it. So you can't.
Next to walk in?
Yeah. Walk-in closet over there on the other side, yeah. So that's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Oh no.
It's crazy, but it's true. Oh, you're all I need. Hey, hey.
3-car garage, yeah. It's a lot of space. Oh. I just don't feel like this gives you, look, it's hard to tell because the furniture's not in here. I just don't feel like this gives you as much living space as the other one. Like if you put a sofa in here, like that's gotta be a little nook area over there. Huh? Nope. I mean, you can make it work. But you're gonna put some chairs here. Around the island.
Perfect, yeah, I know that
And then you're gonna have a sofa here.
when it came crashing down.
Yeah.
All I know is I need
So they got 4 panels. You're gonna have a sofa here. And then back here, you're gonna have a breakfast nook. And that has to be a dining room. You're gonna have a breakfast nook right here. That's right here. That's that all. I don't see the dining room. I don't see the dining room. It's too set on.
you're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you
For your area when you first come in.
everything you want.
It's pretty.
All I need now. It's crazy, but
Okay.
it's true.
We're gonna get to it. That's a
You're all
that's a, what you call it? Screen and porch. Mm-hmm.
everything will be alright.
It's pretty.
Wanna go, wanna go, wanna go, wanna go now.
Uh-huh.
Take me to your paradise.
Yeah, love the kitchen. Nice. Yeah. Very nice office. That's gotta be the pantry right there.
It's crazy, but it's true.
Yeah.
Crazy, but it's true.
Nice office. There's a closet. Yeah. Barn doors. Oh yeah. Good lord. Yeah. Nice big spacious laundry room.
It's crazy, but it's
Another closet.
Oh, you're all I need.
Master bath. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen that before. Yeah, so you don't get no stepping in no kind of way.
Oh, that's true too.
Get you a nice rug.
Yeah, because the water's going that way, so
Yeah,
it's gonna drain down there.
it's nice.
Got the hot pool.
Walk-in closet. A little quaint. And the master. Oh, so you can go out here in the morning from the master.
So this is what we've been looking at?
I guess so. I don't know. Yeah. Go out here from the master. In the morning. Get your little coffee.
The little room that we thought was behind the room. It's actually nice.
Yeah.
Interesting. Come out here and just sit down and shit.
In the morning, yeah.
It's different.
It is. I like the inside. Definitely.
You hit it outside.
Huh?
You hit it outside.
I do. It's nice and spacious. Roomy. This joint wheelchair accessible. It's wide. I said it's wide. So that's 2 bedrooms down.
Yeah, I guess we got one up.
Well, if you kept it going straight, be outside.
Trying to get a little rest spot.
Very nice.
Kitchen's great.
I don't know how long it is.
And a gas fireplace.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice. Okay, so.
All right.
What? Why you said that?
Why you gonna leave your room on the counter wide open?
Who found it?
It was just sitting on the counter wide open.
Here.
Hey y'all, it's hot. It's hot. We have had a full day. Full. This is why I wear my natural hair, because these wigs be hot in 93-degree weather. Mercy. And I just got this little wall mount thing, not Walmart, but a phone mount for my car. And yeah. Oh, look, y'all, this wig sliding off. Part is gone. I'm just toast. It's about 7:30. I'm toast. So, yeah, I'm about to get inside and do some editing. Hey! Get ready for church tomorrow. Stop! 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 Will you stop looking at me like that? I done crossed my bridge. I'm doing a video. I'm practicing. Doing a car video. Oh, merciful Savior. Okay. Let's see. I'm done. Stick a fork in me, because I'm done. Let me get whatever I need to get up out of here. My water. It's hot as fish. fish grease. Whew. Hot as fish grease out here. Okay. Oh, I'm getting out. I'm coming.
I'm just trying to get around the car. What you talking about?
Oh, I didn't leave you enough space again?
No. It's just that, you know, been on it all day.
Yeah, I feel you. All right, let's go. We out.
You okay, y'all?
Hey, y'all. He said I don't know how to say hey, y'all.
You know?
I do. Hey, y'all. I don't know how to say nothing now because I'm tired as I don't know what. I do know how to say hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all.